Hey guys, welcome to the video. So I am very excited to be doing this wear test. LANCOME is one of my very favorite brands. I absolutely love LANCOME. Been using them since homecoming in middle school. I was probably about 14 years old. So this is the LANCOME TEINT IDOLE foundation. This is a medium buildable foundation. Zendaya is the face of it, I think, and she looks gorgeous. I thought, if I wear it, I hope I look as gorgeous as her. So I do have to let you know, this is my second time trying the foundation. I did film this video one time before, but somehow I lost the beginning footage of me actually putting the product on my face. So you're gonna see footage from both days, all right? I'm so excited to be wearing this for 2 days because then you really know how I feel about it at the end of the second day. For both days, I started with lip oil, face moisturizer. I'm holding up the powder and the primer that I tried out for this first day. I did try the exact same powder, I think, on the second day, a different primer, but I've used both of these primers before. I do know that they both work. I also do not reapply powder throughout the day, so you're gonna get a true finish and a true review. So the foundation itself is $47 at Sephora. It's a natural finish medium coverage foundation. It is supposed to be hydrating and it's got hyaluronic acid in it. Also says that it's best for oily, combo skin, and normal skin. Now, I have oily combination skin. I'm right in the middle of those two. So yeah, I can't wait to try this out. I'm so excited for you. You guys, I'm trying it with a sponge on one side and a brush on the other to see which application I like better. I'm actually gonna switch to day 2 in just a couple moments, and I'm gonna let you know if I like the sponge better or the brush. On both days, I applied all my regular makeup on top so I could find out if the powders and the creams mixed well with the foundation. I'm so excited for this review for you. I cannot wait until you see what I really think. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and get started on day 2. I have done everything that you just saw me do on day 1. Here we go. Today, I really like that the Sephora sponge did a great job. And I don't know, it might just be Sephora sponges. Like, I really like this foundation brush. I think it just went on so nicely, but a sponge is good too. So really in this case, because of the opacity of how much it covered the blemishes, you can use either one and I think you're gonna get the same result. That's just my opinion. All right guys, so let's move on to how this product wears with other makeup products. I'm not finished with the makeup. I'm gonna like fix stuff, but I just want to zoom in because I've used cream concealer on top of the product and I don't think that the product moved around like at all. It still looks beautiful. The bronzer was powder. I didn't show you guys. I used this Essence palette bronzer. I used that one right there on my cheeks, my forehead, my nose. So far it's reacting well with other products. I'm gonna go ahead and finish off my makeup. It is 4:45, so I've already been wearing it for 45 minutes and it looks really good. The REM Beauty Clear Brow Gel did so well yesterday, you guys. I'm gonna use it again today. Hours and hours. It did so well. We're gonna just be using the CoverGirl True Blend Banana Setting Powder today. Can't stand when that happens. Like right here, just shiny. So I told you guys this is setting spray we're gonna use. Medium. So this is a medium buildable. It's true to what it says. Okay, so it's 8:57. Part of the video, I just want to check in. I'm not wearing any more makeup. I just put on a little bit of lip oil, but I'm gonna have on like lashes and probably even do my nails by the end of the day. So the last clip of the video, you're gonna see I do look a little bit different than I do now. But let's go ahead and check in. Now that you've seen me close up, it has almost been 5 hours since I've been wearing this product. I think it's staying on pretty good. There is some creasing under my eyes and stuff, but that has a lot to do with the concealer that I'm wearing, not necessarily the foundation. As you saw around my nose and my mouth, like it's barely settling into any lines or anything like that. So for after 5 hours, this is pretty good. I mean, what did I do today? I packed all my stuff. I got out here out to the pool. I was sweating a little bit doing that. I did hang out with the baby and my husband this morning. They actually went to go get breakfast before my husband starts work. So we've been pretty busy. We made breakfast, well, for the baby. And yeah, fed the dog, walked the dog. So there's been quite a bit of activity. I think that this foundation is really, really beautiful. It looks like a full coverage foundation, to be honest. It just looks like skin. All right, guys, so I'm gonna see you later, probably in just a couple hours when I'm back at home, and I'll give you like my final thoughts. Okay, so it is 10 o'clock. All right, so I think you guys can see, I can definitely see a little bit better here than I could when we were outside. It's after 10 o'clock now, and I've been wearing this for almost 7 hours. It looks so, so pretty. It does, but now I can definitely see that it's like not full coverage, you know what I mean? So, wow. I think it looks gorgeous with all the other products. I would definitely wear this. Like, even though I love full coverage, this just is pretty. It's a pretty foundation. Yeah, I'm so happy to have tried out a LANCOME foundation. So during my wear test, guys, I don't reapply powder. I don't reapply concealer or bronzers or anything like that. I try to leave it alone. And I think for the price, I like it. I actually really like it. Like, it was almost $50 and I'm into it. This is so pretty. It's naturally pretty. Yeah, it's not doing what it could be doing. It could be breaking up a lot more, and it just isn't. You guys, I like this foundation. I am so glad to be reintroduced to LANCOME. Let me know what you liked about this foundation. I just think it looks beautiful. That's like my overall word for it, but let me know what you guys think about how it wore on my combination oily skin. Alright guys, let me know in the comments what you think about how it wore, and I will see you in my very next video. Bye!